Products like this and like this have generated me millions of dollars in online sales, and it's been happening time and time again from the same methods that I'm going to show you in today's video. If you have ever struggled with finding winning products, I promise you this is the video that you need. And the main reason behind that is because product research is the key component of having success with dropshipping or anything e-commerce related. And these strategies are proven not just from myself, but from my students as well, as they generated over $13 million in online sales just last year alone, finding winning product after winning product. And it's time for you to do the same. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. What's going on, everyone? My name is AC Hampton. I'm an 8-figure marketer who gets to teach people how to test, build, and scale profitable online brands. If you know who I am, welcome back and thank you for always showing love. If you're new here, welcome in and make sure you're strapped in for some serious value. Before we head into the video, you all know that each and every week I hand out a free consulting call to one lucky winner, and I'll be announcing the winner from last week somewhere inside this video, so make sure you watch it the entire way through. If you want the opportunity of getting on this call with us and go over everything that you may be needing help on, all you have to do is in the comment section below, comment the word product and what your biggest takeaway from this video was. Finding winning products is a struggle for many people in the beginning and even advanced stages of dropshipping, but in my one-on-one mentorship, we break down exactly what you need to know about how to find winning products and how you can maximize off of them. I have limited spots available for the month of April, so if you're ready to take action towards working with myself and my team towards finding a winning product and building an online brand that can help you achieve financial freedom, then I have something special for you. All you have to do is head over to my Instagram at AC_Hampton and DM me the word mentorship so I can reach out and help you get started. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. When looking for a winning product, let's start off with all the options of platforms that you have that will show you all kinds of products that you could be selling and that have ton of traction surrounding them. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can maximize on finding a winning product, whether you're using a paid search engine or a free search engine, along with giving you tips after finding this winning product that will help those sales continue to keep rolling in for the product that you choose. Let's start off with paid product research tools first. Then next, I'm gonna show you all the free methods so that every single person that's watching this video has no excuse on how they can find the next winning product that could potentially change your life. Some of my favorite paid search engines for winning products is AdSpy, Shopify, and BigSpy, which you guys can get some major discounts by clicking on them with the links down in my description. And like I said, let's not forget about the free search engines. Some of my favorite free search engines are my Ad Finder Chrome extension, TikTok, and Facebook ad library. Alright, so starting off with the paid versions, as I know a lot of you guys are using tools like this, I do want to make sure that you're using it to the fullest capability. One of my favorite tools that I love to use for product research, as many of you guys probably know, is AdSpy. AdSpy allows me to not only look at all the products that are currently being sold in the market, but also filter down exactly what I'm looking for, which is the key to finding the winning products that you are going to start making some serious money off of. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into AdSpy and show you a little bit of what I'm talking about. So literally the only thing I'm going to do is come over here to adspy.com and it will pull up a screen just like this. And as you can see, they have so many different search filters that you can play around with all day long. I mean, from scene between to creative between, language, buttons, technologies, you can find out so many different products by just playing around with these filters. Now, there is a couple ways that I like to go about this. The first thing is I like to check out what is currently trending, but I'll also love to see what was currently trending at this time last year. Let's go ahead and start off with what is currently trending and see what we're able to come up with. I already added some of the filters that I love to use on AdSpy, as you can see right here, with created between the last 2 months, seen between within the last couple of days, and the different types of media types. So let's go ahead and jump into this and give you a better understanding of what it means. So created between is basically when the actual advertisement was created. Seen between is very self-explanatory. It's basically just when it was seen last and is it currently being advertised today. Media type, I went ahead and entered videos, as this is typically what I use for any products that I'm selling. I like to do technologies as Shopify, ClickFunnels, and WooCommerce, which are going to be the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world. Last thing I want to do is filter down by the language, which is English. And ultimately why I use English is because I just want people who can actually read my ad to be the person who can buy my product. Lastly, after you have those filters set up, the last filter you have to set up is come over here to this button and go ahead and filter by likes. And then you'll just see all these different advertisements that are currently going crazy on the market today. And as I'm scrolling down, I already see a product that caught my attention, which is this advertisement right here. And like I said, this advertisement caught my eye solely from the thumbnail, which is why I always say thumbnail creative testing is so important to wipe out your competition by having the strongest advertisement on the market. And I break down exactly how you can do that right here with this video. If this thumbnail caught my attention, think of the amount of customers who are just scrolling down their Facebook and their Instagram timeline who will see and perceive the ad the same exact way, which will then convince them to go ahead and click on shop now, come to your website, purchase your product, and now you're in a position of collecting that money. Now, if we go ahead and head into the actual ad spy link and take a look at the video, I can see that this product hits all two of those points that I'm looking for, which is solving a problem and having some sort of wow factor to it. And to dive deep into it even deeper, you can also analyze and see the trend of likes on this product, which is a huge advantage of using AdSpy. And I mean, look at these likes over time. These likes are completely skyrocketing on this product, which tells me that customers are interested in this product and we are not reinventing the wheel. Something that's going to verify the interest in customers even more are the comments that are happening under the advertisement. And to get to the advertisement, very simple, you just come over here and right click this button and go ahead and open link in new tab, which will then show me their actual advertisement that they're running. As you can see, this is a seat cushion that relieves pressure on your tailbone and your lower back pain. And I mean, this advertisement is starting to low-key go off with over 751 comments and 1.2 thousand shares in less than a month. So when you scroll down to the comment section, you're basically going to be asking yourself two questions. Does this product have high perceived quality, and is this advertisement getting engagement on it today? So to see if the product has high perceived quality, the section that we have to go ahead and check out is the most relevant comment section. So that's simply going to be this button right here where it says most relevant. Then as you can scroll down, you can see a lot of people saying some amazing things. Absolutely stunning, fantastic, been using it for years. And honestly, just pretty good feedback throughout it. Now, after seeing if it has high perceived value through the most relevant comment section, the next place we're going to check out is the newest comments to see, is this advertiser currently spending money on this product today? So you simply scroll right back up, you go to most relevant, and then you go to newest. I mean, as you can see, comments within the last hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, this product is going crazy. This is basically just telling me two things. One, the person who's advertising this product today is actually making some serious money off of it. And two, there's an audience of people who see some perceived quality behind this product, and there's a demand behind it as well. Again, we're basically just focusing on not reinventing the wheel and allowing what's working today for others to work for me. Now, the next thing that I want to do is head into their product page. Now, this part is key because this is where I'm able to figure out how much you're selling this product for after tax to make sure that I'm able to source it within a 2.5x margin, which I show you exactly how to do in this video right here. But even more importantly, I'm able to see how I'm able to differentiate myself from my competition, or even if it's possible at all. This is one of the key tips when deciding to sell a product and make it your winning product. And when reviewing the competitor's website, I ask myself the following. What aspects can I do to be better than my competition? Can I sell different colors? Can I add any additional branding? Can I market this in a different way? Ultimately, you need to be thinking about what would make you different than every single other person who is selling the same product so that you can wipe out your competition and start building a longevity brand. Let's go ahead and hop into their product page and see how we're able to set ourselves apart. So boom, we just got to their website, and right off the bat, I can see that they're selling multiple different options and colors, which is always great to give your customers options, and they're doing a great job of that, which is something that you would want to go ahead and model. But if we scroll down and look at their product description, this is really where I'm seeing the opportunity for you to go ahead and set yourself apart from this competition. One of the first benefits that they're listing about their product is that it is super soft. And yes, this may be important and something that may need to be mentioned, but I can assume that there's going to be some other aspects that may be a little bit more important for potential buyers to know about this product rather than it just being super soft. So what I do like to do first is make sure that I'm as convincing as possible to the prospective customer and understand what is the main reason, the main problem that somebody would have when coming to my website and why they should purchase this product in the first place. Now, for this product specifically, a couple reasons I can think they would be here for is back pain, old age, desk jobs, hip pain. These are going to be some of the main points that I'm focusing on whenever I'm heading over to Amazon. On Amazon, this is where I like to check out the reviews of the same exact product I'm testing to look for certain benefits and features that I can be adding to my product page. So I'm simply just going to come over here to Amazon and type in seat cushion and find out all the different variables of products that are being sold. And I mean, there's definitely a lot of them, but we can just go ahead and choose one of these examples real quick. And boom, we can just go off of this competitor right here. I'm going to start off by reading some of the 5-star reviews to see which key features and benefits I can take away from it and potentially put in my own product page, but I'm not going to just leave it there. I'm also going to check out some of the 1-star reviews to see what problems people were having with this product in order to nip them right in the butt and address them in my product page to further convince my customer to buy from me. So let's go ahead and jump into the 5-star reviews. And I mean, there's some really good reviews in here. I mean, like paragraphs, and this is what you want to see when you're selling a product. And basically, after reading these reviews, I can see that most people are purchasing this product to either work from home or just because of long hours of sitting down. And I mean, it also works for people who are trying to lose weight, as they discovered that it was uncomfortable to sit on firm or thinly padded chairs. So not having that padding there is not allowing them to sit in comfort, so you are immediately solving a problem with this product. And now what I can also see is that customers not only care that it is soft, but that it is a perfect mix of soft and firm. So not losing the shape of the product, no matter weight or height, is more important than it just being soft. After checking some of these 5 and 4-star reviews, let's go ahead and head over to the 1-star reviews and see what problems they were having with this product. So we can see that there's not enough support, people saying it turns into a pancake and it just gets flat. We can also see that they're concerned with the longevity of the product, and we can see that some people thought that the product was not even wide enough. And this information is great feedback and can help you not only improve on selling your product page, but also with your advertisements to continue to keep bringing people into your store. And if we head over back to this competitor's product page, we can see that they don't even offer different sizing options based off of the width, and they also don't go in depth about the longevity of the product. They only talk about how long you can use that product in one single day. Hey, so just like that, you've now found 2 ways that you can outsell and outmarket your competitor to turn this product into a winning product for yourself. And again, I just want to reiterate, these discoveries that you have just found in the market about this product and how you can do it better should not just be a reflection on your product page, but also within your advertisements. You should test out 3 different videos, all that start with the first 3 seconds being different and showing a different feature and benefit so that you can see which one works the best for you and what is bringing in the most serious customers. Now, before we head into how you can be finding winning products for absolutely free, if you're having any questions about this video or how you can be finding your own winning products, make sure you head over to my Instagram at AC_Hampton and DM me the word YouTube so I can reach out and help you out in any way possible. And remember, it's not about how much money you can make in this world, but how much knowledge you can teach others to change their life. If you're feeling stuck at all, DM me the word YouTube, and I can't wait to help out in any way. Now, you have all heard me say it time and time again, and I'll say it again. Social media has opened up the doors for so many entrepreneurs to pave the way and start making money online. If you're using social media just for entertainment and not to make money, I hate to break it to you, but you're doing something wrong. I say this because TikTok has been on the rise and advertisers are using this free platform to enhance the opportunity to create financial freedom through the power of e-commerce. And you could be using it to create your own success as well. When I'm scrolling on TikTok, yes, I enjoy the funny videos, but more so I enjoy finding advertisements of winning products that come across my timeline. I always tell people, if you're one of the first people to take a viral TikTok product and sell it on Facebook, you're going to pop off. Take the scrunch leggings for example. We were seeing advertisers go crazy on TikTok with this product, and the first people that took it over to Facebook and run ads for it made some insane money. And I mean, you don't have to take my word for it. I mean, look at this advertisement on Facebook, 91,000 comments, 33,000 shares, and I mean, these likes went absolutely crazy. I mean, over 90,000 likes in a single month. So let me show you exactly how you should be looking for these viral products on TikTok. Now, the first and most important rule is to engage with the ads that you're seeing. As you continue to engage with these dropshipping advertisements that you're seeing on your timeline, you want to also ensure that you're focusing first on being a buyer on that platform. This means you need to be commenting, liking, and even clicking shop now on every advertisement that you see. This algorithm is going to pick up and keep shooting you these different types of dropshipping advertisements that can turn into some serious money for you if you take advantage. Now, if I'm not seeing too many advertisements that are catching my attention, I then go out and actively look for these products. So on TikTok, I'm going to click on this Discover tab right here. In this search bar at the top, I'm going to type in dropshipping products and see what comes up for me. And then from there, I'm about to head over to the hashtags and search through the videos showing off different products. I like to find videos that have over 20,000 likes and have a ton of comments. So here's a perfect example of that. And even before I click on this video, you can see that this has over 69,000 likes and over 148 comments. And it basically is covering the exact same credentials that I mentioned at the very beginning of this video once you go ahead and watch it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, easy storage for your phone, cash, wallet, keys. I mean, there's basically so many reasons why you would use this product. So basically from this product, I can see that it's meeting the exact same requirements that we talked about earlier. It has a problem solving factor along with the wow factor, and ultimately has a huge buzz behind it. From there, it would be time to do a little more digging to see if it has the potential to be a winning product for you by doing all those requirements that we mentioned at the very beginning of this video. All in all, there's many ways that you can be finding winning products to sell on your dropshipping store, but the first step is taking action and just doing it. It's just a matter of making sure that these products have the right strategies to verify that they have the potential to be a winner, along with actively searching for sellable products that you could be selling right now. Once you find a winning product, the next major concern is making sure that the product continues to sell well and not just for a short time span. When you're trying to find a winning product, the goal is not to just sell it for 2 months and be done with it, but to have something that can bring you in passive income over a nice period of time. And of course, you guys know I got you. I have 3 tips for making sure that your product continues to sell. The first is making sure that you're continuing to test out different advertisements surrounding the same product. A lot of the time I see people get way too comfortable with one advertisement just because it's working right now. But there is something called ad fatigue, where customers are tired of seeing the same advertisement and will no longer come to your store. As you continue to sell your product, different dropshippers are going to hop in the market and start taking the same videos you're advertising with. So it is key to have a lineup of different advertisements that you can put out to keep the attention of your customers and separate yourself from the competition. Now, the second and next piece of advice that I have to keep your product selling is making sure that you're continuously studying the market surrounding the customer's needs for the product. As seasons change, people are going to need your product for different reasons. Keep that in mind and continue taking the feedback that people put in your comment section of your advertisement or in the reviews of other advertisers' websites and use them to your advantage. Customers' needs change, and you either have to adapt to that or get left behind. Last but not least, be in communication with your supplier. Make sure that you're doing quality checks on the product so that you're not getting a ton of negative comments that can be detrimental to the longevity of the product that you're selling. Stay on top of the concerns that customers are having with your product and make changes accordingly. I hope that this video was able to give you some confidence and motivation to go back out there and start looking for winning products that can turn into a lifetime of financial freedom. If you like the information that I just gave out, make sure that you show me some love, smash that like button below, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any value that I put out every single week. But before I head out, you know that I couldn't forget to announce the winner of the free consulting call from last week. And the winner of the free one-on-one consulting call from last week's video is Troy Leverett. Troy, congratulations on winning. Go ahead and reach out to me on my Instagram at AC_Hampton. Let me know that you won. We can hop on a one-on-one Zoom call, look over your product research, look over your Shopify store, and help you out in any way to get the success that you deserve. And remember, if you want the opportunity of winning next week, all you have to do is in the comment section below, comment the word product and what your biggest takeaway from this video was. Now, we all got some work to do. Let's go ahead and jump into finding some of these winning products. I can't wait to continue to keep dropping this value each and every single week. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.
They gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon' spend it, get it right back. Stack that internet money to the site crash.